Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hey, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got this really cute Bantu knot style. I just recently went to Curlfest in Atlanta. I'm still in Atlanta right now, so I just decided to go ahead and film the intro part. But I did my hair yesterday, and as you guys can see, my hair still has held up. So I only had about 1 week to figure out what I was going to do, because I didn't know I was going to Curlfest until like last week. And I needed something that was going to be quick, easy, affordable, and something that wasn't going to make me hot. So if you are kind of like in the awkward stage with your hair length and everything like that, or if you also have fine, thin, medium to low density hair like I do, definitely try this style out. And I just did like some orange flowers up there just because, you know, Curlfest is real, you know, like that. But I just want to show you guys this tutorial. I'm trying to bring you guys more natural hair videos and not just wigs, even though I love wigs and I've never done my hair like this, and I think it looks really good. So give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful to you. Make sure you leave a comment down in the comment box section down below, and please make sure you check out my Curlfest vlog. It will be out before, it'll be out, and if I edit it before I post this video, I will definitely leave it down in the comment section. I think I'm going to start leaving my recent videos there so you guys can see it easier, because nobody want to look in the description box. Also, make sure you guys share this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. We are going to be using JanetCollection's Afro twist braiding hair. So this is kind of like Marley hair. Yeah, this is pretty much all I could find at the store. I ended up cutting it in half. I'm only using one pack, and it cost me about $6. And all I'm going to do here is cut that one pack in half, and you guys will see how I feather it out. My hair is not like stretched with heat. I just took it out of some like braids I had under my wig, and that's pretty much how I stretched my hair. So my hair is clean. Like, I haven't done anything after wash day. I just put on my wig and oil my scalp. Oh, and also the braiding hair is in the color 1. I'm not really a fan of the texture. I wish it was a little bit more on the silkier side, but because for the purpose of this, it's fine. Like, I don't really have an issue with that hair. So yeah, you guys can see me right here spraying on some creme of nature coconut milk spray. I really like this detangling spray. I've been using it for like two and a half years now, so I really like it. If you don't have to use this, you could just use water, but I find that this doesn't shrink up my hair and it feels moisturized, and I don't know, I just like it. It's really lightweight. So I'm going to start parting my hair. Off camera, I already combed out my hair. So I'm going to begin with parting my hair. Now, it is really hard to explain my parting technique here. As you guys will see in the video, I'm going to get a little bit frustrated, and I actually ended up parting it off camera. But I wanted to go for large, like triangle or diamond shaped parts, which were really hard to do by myself, but your girl got them done as best as she could. Now, what I will say about this hairstyle, it is inspired by Rihanna's Anti album, but there's 2 YouTubers here. I think one, her name is Crowned K, and the other girl I cannot remember, but I will link their tutorials because I pretty much took inspiration from both of their videos about how I was gonna do this. So I'm sectioning my hair in 4 large sections, and I found that sectioning it this way and then just sliding the comb diagonally really helped me to part my hair a lot better. So you guys can part your hair literally any way you want to. It does not matter. This is just how I did mine for this time, but in the near future, squares will probably be much easier. But for those of you that want to achieve this part, I'll show you guys on a section or 2 how I did it. So after I section the hair, I just pretty much make one large like triangle in the center of my head, and that pretty much like set the tone for the rest of the like triangles to come about, I guess, if that makes sense. So all I'm going to be doing is making my triangles and parting my hair to the side. sectioning my hair off so it's out of the way. These clips are amazing. I got them from Impressions of Beauty in my little ambassador kit. Shout out to Impressions of Beauty because I've never had clips like this. They're amazing. Like, they stretch really big and they don't break, and they clip onto your hair but they don't hurt. It's like amazing. So I'm going to be taking some Eden Body Works. Is it Eden Body Works? Well, some Eden curl cream, and I'm going to be applying that to my hair to re-moisturize it. Not a lot, just a little bit. Not really a fan of this product anymore. I realized after the fact that my hair doesn't really absorb it. Then I'm going to be following up with the Murray's hair pomade. I was trying other stuff, didn't work. I went right back. Then I'm going to go over that with some Got To Be glue gel. This is the travel size one. You guys, I have 3 travel size ones, but I promise you, I'm going to get the big bottle. Y'all will not see the little bottle anymore because y'all probably like, why she always using that little travel size? It's because I have 3 of them and I barely use it. Then I'm going to go ahead and get some mini rubber bands in black, and that just helps me grip onto the hair a lot better. And I'm going to make sure that I do it as tight as possible, but you know, not too tight, but it's tight. It's pretty tight. And then I'll just part the rest of the hair off camera. Parts, as you guys can see, like I said, I did them as best I could by myself, but if you can get help with doing the parts, that would be so much better. But this is how it looks. I literally look like I'm freaking 10 years old. But as far as doing the Marley hair, so I already cut them in half, and I'm only using about 3 or 4 pieces. And the key to this is really making sure that you make the hair very like uneven and pretty rigid at the ends, because if you guys notice, I am not using bobby pins. So some of them I use like 3, some of them I use 2, and I think I have a total of 12 or 13 like sections. So I wanted to make sure that I had enough hair, so I parted the hair, counted it out, and then I made my sections. So after you make it really tethered, I'm going to go ahead and attach the hair to my natural hair, and I am not braiding this hair tight whatsoever. So as far as my Bantu knots, I wanted them to look natural, I wanted them to look effortless, and I wanted them to look a little bit messy in a sense. Like, I wanted that fun, carefree festival vibe. This hairstyle is for Curlfest, it's for festivals, it's for concerts, it's for anything like fun, or you want to try something out of the box. I did not want this look to be like really tamed or anything like that. So you guys can watch the other girls that I'll link before, because theirs was a little bit tamed, but I wanted some of my natural hair to peek through. I just wanted it like that. So it's really simple. You just wrap it around, and after I wrapped the hair around, I teased it, so I pulled it apart, and I just made it look uneven. I made it look like imperfect, just like how my natural hair is. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I do that off camera, but just make sure you pay attention to the ends of my hair. They are not neat. Even at the root of my hair, it's still puffy. You can see some of my natural hair peeking through, and it just gives it a really nice texture, and I just really like it. So I think that it came out really cute, exactly how I wanted it to. to do these edges. So I've been noticing that my edges are a bit on the thin side, so I've been leaving a little bit more hair out these days. Now the edges, y'all, I'm not, like I always say, I'm not the best at edges, but edges, baby hairs, do whatever you want with them. Swirl them, flip them, reverse them, make waves, make zigzags, make whatever you want. I don't care. Make a stop sign in your with your edges. It really doesn't matter. Just do whatever you want to do with your edges. I did not really care. I let my doesn't look dry or anything like that. And I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair with a scarf. And yeah, so oh wait, but before I tied my hair with the scarf, I have to cut the flowers. So you want to leave the stem on the flowers. I ended up putting the flowers on off camera in the car because I was rushing. I was already late and it was just not working out for me. But this is pretty much how you would do it if you did do it. And that's pretty much the end result, you guys. This hairstyle can really last you a few days, maybe even a week. Maybe you can even make it stretch longer than that. I didn't really care to. I kept it in my hair for about 3 days, but you know, I had a meeting at school and stuff. So yes, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see y'all